Hey yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can send Bitcoin from your Coinbase. It's pretty simple to send Bitcoin to a person using your Coinbase account. And yeah, before starting this video, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified from future Coinbase and crypto related videos. And yeah, if you guys want to sign up into Coinbase, you can use our referral link down in the description so you guys can get up to $10 bonus while signing up into Coinbase. So yeah, to get a free $10, you can use the referral link down in the description. So let's start the video. Now to send Bitcoin to other person using your Coinbase account, then basically you just need to click on where it says send and receive at the top of your Coinbase. So you want to come into coinbase.com, and once you're over here, you want to sign in into your account. After signing into your account, you're gonna come to this page. Once you're in this page, click on send and receive. Once you click on send and receive, you want to click on pay with over here. On pay with, you want to choose Bitcoin, all right? You want to choose Bitcoin and pay with. Now over here, you can add a mobile number, email, or address of the person to whom you want to send the Bitcoin, all right? And you can even write a note over here to the person like regarding why you are sending the Bitcoin. You write the mobile number and email if you're sending Bitcoin from Coinbase to another Coinbase user. If you want to send Bitcoin from Coinbase to, let's say, Binance or other platform, then you can't use mobile or email. If you want to send Bitcoin from Coinbase to other platform like Binance and crypto.com, then you need to have a wallet address of that person. By that I mean, over here if I click on receive, then this is my wallet address of my Bitcoin. Now remember, wallet address is different for a different coin. If you want to send Bitcoin, then you need to have the wallet address of Bitcoin. Let's say I want to send Bitcoin over here, and over here I write the wallet address of OX. All right, so if I write the wallet address of OX over here, then basically my Bitcoin is gone. Like, you need to write the correct wallet address of the correct crypto. Okay, so for different crypto there's different wallet address. So if I want to send Bitcoin, then the person needs to send me his wallet address of Bitcoin as well. And if you want to receive Bitcoin, then you need to send the wallet address of Bitcoin. So just keep that in mind. All right, so that's basically how you send and receive Bitcoin. It's that simple. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below if you guys have any question related with this video. And if you guys want to get $10 bonus while signing up into Coinbase, then you can use our referral link down in the description. That's it for today. I will see you guys another time. Bye bye.